September 5th is marked as Teachers' Day as it is the birthday of highly respected teacher, philosopher and prolific statesman Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. So I wish you all Happy Teachers' Day from our Innovate teaching channel. Dr. Radhakrishnan said that teachers should be the best minds in the country. Teachers plant seeds of knowledge that grow forever. If there was such a thing as wage justice, teaching would be the highest paid profession in the world because teachers literally create every other profession in the world. Without teachers, there are no doctors, no plumbers, no police, no lawyers, no nurses, no merchant bankers, no carpenters, no sculptors, no engineers, no shop assistants, no musicians, no immunologists, no bricklayers, no Lord help us politicians. Teaching is the fundamental basis of every facet of. Words are just not enough to appreciate the teachers. They are good teachers. To the world, you may be just a teacher, but to your students, you are a hero or heroine. A teacher presents the past, reveals the present, and creates the future. So never forget your teachers in your lives and express your heartfelt gratitude towards all teachers. Once again, Happy Teachers' Day. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you. I am signing off. Stay tuned to Innovate Teaching Channel.